At this station, we are demonstrating the SmartVDO Air, which is our O-ring annex, and that we have demonstrated for the generative AI application. Our SmartVDO Air has won the Best Prize Award at Computex. This is the design. The carrier board of our SmartVDO Air is very compact, and then we design that you can attack with different kind of daughter board, which has different interfaces. So this is the design of our solution. So you can see it's very compact and light, and then we have different kind of interfaces. So what we demonstrate here, you have like 12G SDI, OOB, and I/O card means you can integrate with our M2 capture card and also HDMI. We also have a lot of more variation for you to use and to have different kind of application and market. So what we showcase here is we are using our SmartVDO Air to combine with the large language model, which is the RIVA software. So that we can receive the audio voice then sending to our SmartVDO Air and to send over to different API. In this case, we showcase is the video wall along with the SDVOE to showcase in the medical field. So because during the surgery, the doctor has no time and to actually use the mouse to click to choose different kind of image. So what we use, you can speak up the voice with the RIVA and then in order to capture in different image. So let me showcase for you. Go to multi-view. Go to CT scan. Give me endoscope. So as you can see here that it's switching with different kind of image, which will save a lot of time and also energy for the doctor during the operation. So this is actually the LLM RIVA that is combined with our Smart Air in order to showcase on the medical field.